Welcome to the course on high-end offer positioning secrets. In this course, you will learn how to position your high-ticket items for maximal profits and promote them effectively. There are competitors out there wanting to make the sale just like you. You will therefore need to position your products in such a way that your targets will be interested enough to buy. How you position your high-ticket products will determine how much you'll actually make through them. If you compare your product and the competition's and what your competitors have to offer at the price they charge, and you offer less for the same value or more, you can use this as a positioning tactic to sell your high-ticket product for more sales. As a positioning strategy, you may use the tactic of telling your targets in your offers what they stand to lose if they don't order your product now. Some of these may be not moving forward, remaining in the same situation while your product can help them to get where they want to be, throwing away their hard-earned money, buying products that are inferior to yours but won't give them their desired results, losing out on discounts. They may want to buy your products later when discounts are no longer available to them. Increased product price after a while. If they don't buy now, your price may have increased when they decide to buy. You can also use, as a positioning strategy, the tactic of telling your customers what they will gain if they buy your products now. These may include getting their problems completely resolved, giving them what they want exactly, helping them to set up their business, giving them discounts on the products you sell, software and ebooks you give out for free, free access to your membership site, one-to-one communications, telephone communications, free reviews of the customer website or business. When you offer installment payments for your high-ticket item, it becomes easier for your targets to afford, and a lot more of them may take you up on that offer. Installment payments also help your targets to see if your high-ticket product is what they want, without committing too much money at first. You may also provide them with a way to get a refund for the first few days, or months of paying for the product. If, for whatever reason, they want to return it, all these will encourage more people to take you up on your offer. You may also offer installment payment plans of 3, 6, and/or 12 months. Sometimes the solution provided for targets in any given niche may be more than what the targets need. As a strategy then, you may position your high-ticket product in such a way that it specifically meets your target's needs in a cost-effective manner, helping your targets to only pay for what they need. With this, you'll be helping your targets to avoid expensive solutions they may never need. Before you create high-ticket products, you'll need to have reviewed your competitors' products in your chosen niche. To know if your competitors' products are inferior to yours or are giving mediocre results, you'll need to compare how much your product and theirs meet the needs, wants of the targets in your niche and provide solutions to your target's problems. If your product meets the needs of your targets more and provide better solutions for your targets, then your competitors' products are inferior to yours. You can then list all the things that make your product superior to your competitors and then use them for positioning your high-ticket product as the best product to buy in your niche. On the other hand, if your high-ticket product is not superior to your competitors or offers the same value as theirs, you'll need to use other positioning tactics to sell your high-ticket product on the internet, or you may add more value to your product that will make it superior to your competitors. Just like when you create physical products, you design their packaging to look appealing to your targeted audience, possibly with the image of the product itself. For intangible products like audio, video, coaching, or seminars, however, you'll need digital and graphical images to represent these products, so your targets can have a feel for what they look like. You can use e-boxes and e-covers to represent your intangible products on the internet. You cannot package your high-ticket products with homemade graphics and designs. Hence, whether you sell a physical product or not, you'll need to use high-quality professional graphics that will make your high-ticket products look like premium products. Check the quality of your competitors' product graphics. You can't use low-quality graphics to compete with your competitors. Even though there are do-it-yourself e-boxes, e-cover softwares with templates to create e-boxes for your books, e-books, or CD, DVDs, you may have to hire a professional graphic designer for your product's graphics. Your high-ticket product premium look is part of what will sell it for you. Selling your product as a physical product is another way to position your high-ticket item for maximal sales, especially if your competitors are not doing the same. Some of the products you can convert to physical products are coaching, seminars, webinars, classes, courses, trainings, information, content, workshops, and offline seminars. You will discover over time that what will work for you in the long run are giving real and better value than your competitors. Though you can make money with some high-ticket items like hourly consultation and custom website design services without setting up a website, you will for the most part set up a website to sell your high-ticket items. A website gives you a lot more flexibility in selling your products, and you're likely to make more money through it. To sell your high-ticket items, you'll need to create content on your website. You'll also need to create sales copies for your products and also set up an autoresponder system where you can ask web visitors to opt in to get useful tips in order to retain those who will not buy from you immediately. You should add the links and order pages for the low-ticket items and lower versions of your high-ticket products you wish to sell on your website. You'll need to create the web content for your website from keyword search terms related to your niche, and also optimize your web pages for the search engines using a keyword tool like the Google AdWords keyword tool. Before you start your promotions, you'll need to create an opt-in list for your customers where you'll ask them to opt in whether they order through you, or it could be just a list for everyone who buys through you. You can promote your products for free or paid advertising. Some reliable free advertising methods are article marketing, social bookmarking, blogging, e-zine publishers, article and announcement lists. And some reliable paid advertising methods are pay-per-click advertising and e-zine ads. You'll need to use one or more of these advertising methods to get targeted traffic to your website to make the sale. To get targeted traffic through article marketing, you'll need to create keyword-focused articles using keyword search terms related to your niche, targets, and products in the headlines and body text of your articles. You'll also need to use resource boxes in your articles when you submit them to other websites. A resource box is a byline you put at the end of your articles with a link to your website. Use call to action statements in your resource box to encourage your readers to click through your link to get to your website. You may submit your articles to article directories and content websites. Building your reputation and increasing your credibility online will make it easier for you to sell high-ticket items, and article marketing can help you with this. You should therefore use article marketing in your promotions. Social bookmarking is the act of posting links from the internet and storing them on social bookmarking sites. Therefore, you can use these sites to drive targeted traffic to your website too, by bookmarking the optimized web content on your site on them. A blog consists of journal-like entries you post online. You can get targeted traffic through your blog by posting your keyword-focused articles as blog posts on the blog. There are several reliable blog hosts on the internet you can get a free blog from. E-zine publishers. You may also submit your articles to e-zine publishers, accepting article submissions. You'll need to submit this to e-zine lists that are relevant to your niche to get targeted traffic. Article announcement lists. These are lists that announce and send new articles to subscribers on the list who join in order to get notifications when new articles are released. Pay-per-click advertising is advertising you pay for when people click on your link in your ads. With this, you can use keyword search terms to target your ads to specific groups of web visitors. E-zine ads are ads you pay for when you use e-zines to advertise your products. You'll also need to use e-zines that are related to your niche to get good results from your advertising. Article marketing, social bookmarking, blogging, e-zine publishers, and article announcement lists will work for you if you create and promote your keyword-focused articles for some time while tracking the results you get through them. You'll also need to track your pay-per-click and e-zine ads in order to know the media and ads. you should retain or drop from your advertising. You'll use these advertising methods to sell low-ticket items and or the lower versions of your high-ticket items to get customers for your business. Once you have customers, you can then promote your high-ticket items. You will do this by either providing a customer newsletter, where you give free information along with your high-ticket promotional offers, or you may just send occasional promotional offers on your high-ticket items to customers who order through you. As an affiliate, you too can create a customer list by offering to give unique bonuses to any of your targets who join your customer list after buying a product through you on your merchant's website. You can inform your targets about this with the articles or content you write or send to them.